Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed, and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I'm using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
Internet marketing can mean a lot of things. For some, internet marketing is practically synonymous with affiliate marketing. This is the process of selling products made by other people in order to earn commissions. But internet marketing can be more than that too. Of course, internet marketing can mean building a website or a blog, building a massive audience for that platform, and then making money from adverts or selling your own products. The fact of the matter is, internet marketing means getting the word out on the web, and it means creating brilliant content. And if you can do either or both of those things, then you can make the web work for you. Once you do that, then pretty much anything is possible. The only problem is that very few people have any idea what makes the web tick. People tell me they want to start their own business selling crafts, or they tell me that they want to start blogging for fun, but they have zero clue what that entails. If you're sitting there smugly thinking that you already know the basics of internet marketing, then time for a reality check. Because even if you know the basics of internet marketing, there's a good chance that you don't have all of the advanced skills you need to really make any project into a success. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you'll be able to learn the basics of Internet Marketing 101, even if you have no prior experience. Learn how to turn any idea or concept into a reality. Market any small business online. Learn tools that will make you immensely employable, to the point that you are never without work. To make it easy, I put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert at using the skills you need to be a highly successful internet marketer, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. What makes the web go around? Better than Google AdSense. How to do it? Internet marketing. Search engine optimization. More marketing strategies, SMO, and more. The power of great content. How to write for the web. The power of persuasive writing. Branding done right. Building a website. Creating logos and more graphic design. Photography, an underrated web skill. The laws of great photography. Video. Developing your skills further. Plus a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually use the skills you need to be a highly successful internet marketer. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to create and sell digital products. You want to monetize online content. You want to promote yourself to grow your own career. You want to earn additional income. You have no idea what makes the web tick. You want more people to view your website or articles. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your question is, how much? If you were going to hire an internet marketing expert to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops, but you won't have to invest anywhere near that today.